2 slices of cheddar, 2 slices of salami. And then the cheddar's like a bread sandwich part. You're a fucking idiot. Driving around with no fucking... Oh, this little kid right here. What do you want? What is you doing, boy? Eagle's attacking you. Happy 26th of July. I can't either. Looking back on my life, many things have happened to me. Here's Virginia City. What's up, guys? Just driving back to Boston. Both of them. Freaking bought this Jack Link's freaking cheddar and hard salami. It's just 2 slices of cheddar, 2 slices of salami, and then the cheddar's like a bread sandwich part. Anyway, freaking $2.49. What in the hell? $2.49. I buy freaking tacos from Taco Time for that much. It's ridiculous. Okay, what's on? No, I'm not actually. Still got like over half an hour. Alright, anyway. Here's my rant for the day. Eagle. Hey, it's alright, bub. It's alright. Howdy. Hey, good girl. How you doing? You're a fucking idiot. Driving around with no fucking bumper.
Can you hold our until just now? Oh, well, I was actually on the way to work, but...
No. Dumbass. What do you say?
Huh?
What do you say?
Yeah, it's probably not safe to drive, or it's not safe to drive around the bumper because like those 2 front prongs and spears somebody's car. It's like, okay.
You should be like, it's not safe to drive around being an idiot either, but look at me. Mine.
Fuck, what do I do with the garbage?
That's Perry's limited edition of Fedora. Oh shit, you just dump all the garbage out of it? No, you're good.
I had it. Oh, there it is.
Oh, what the fuck? Garbage.
Alright. You got another shit.
Garbage.
Yo, you have a full wardrobe in your fucking pickup.
Garbage. Just throw it out. What is that? Oh, that's a fucking... Oh, that's the thing that Dixie... I think that's the thing that Dixie ripped up.
Dixie chewed banana.
Throw that... Here, put that in the garbage. Okay. You owe me a new one.
You need a new one. Alright. Yep.
Oh, we got ropes. Okay, we got macate. We got a macate. No, it's macate. Macate with a head stall.
Okay, we'll put that all together like that. Okay, good.
Oh, this little kid right here. What do you want? Oh, I'm just kidding.
Leather protector?
That's that's some like waterproofing boots or something. I don't know.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, just.
Or water and thing, but.
Okay, let me see that. I'll just throw it for you. Go.
You got a big ass tennis ball.
Hey, Eagle. Where do you go? There he is. Ugh. Oh, there you go. Let's go.
Please tell me Eagle's fashion, Dixie.
Yeah. Please tell me Eagle's testing. Why? So Eagle doesn't beat her up?
Yeah, it's like, I don't really feel like picking up a dog fight. Dixie would lose anyway, but okay. You keeping this?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Keeping this. What the fuck is this?
I don't know.
Let's just throw this out. Let's looks like a hot mess. Yes. What is you doing, boy? Eagle's attacking you. Oh, you're all formal now. I see you. Eagle's like, God damn, I don't know who that is. I gotta attack him. Bam! Oh shit. Oh, now we got all the dogs attacking you. They're like, who the fuck is that? Don't, man, that makes you look buff, dude. That makes you look fucking. Oh, the Hulk over here. Oh. I thought that was a fucking cow. I thought that was a real cow. Some bitch. What the fuck?
Dude, you can actually fire yourself.
What a great service I have here. And I ain't talking about Verizon.
Talking about me, bitch.
Yeah. Ready? Piss. There. Anyway, I like how you just kept going on. You're like, oh, nothing happened. Anyway.
Oh, dude, I had something wrong with that.
He's like, ah! Anyway. Dumbass. You gonna try boiling water?
Yeah, probably.
Or wait a little bit.
Probably get that started now.
Get it started now.
I'm not even 100% if this is wood.
What is it?
I think it's like the fresh side of it.
It's not like wood, but is it bad to burn?
Not bad to burn, I don't know.
Oh, take it out. Take it out. Well, it's still fucking burning. Happy 4th of July, everyone.
I mean, it's 26, but alright.
That's alright. Only 22 days late.
It's fine.
I can't believe that was only 22 days ago we were out here. Doesn't seem that long. It seems longer than that.
It's really weird. Like the summer's already almost over.
I know.
I had so much that I wanted to do.
What point?
Camping, fishing.
We can still go camping.
Yeah,
Still
but
got the pack
I
trip.
mean, like I was like, man, the whole summer I was like, shit, yeah, we're going to do a shit ton of camping.
Dude, we still got a little less than a month.
I was just saying we didn't get you like your, well, I was just saying school. Yeah, anyway,
Hopefully he doesn't catch that straw on fire. So hopefully he doesn't catch that straw on fire. Last one.
I'm pretty sure like the little sparks coming off there, they're pretty much just like sparks coming off when you're like grinding something like they're like not hot.
Happy 26th of July. Woo!
It's really important to happen on this day, like how many years ago? Fine.
What do you think they were doing on the 26th of 1776?
Trying to pay off war debts? I don't know.
Trying to pay off war debts. Got some water boiling over here. Trying to pay off war debts. How's it going, Nate? Eagle, how's it going? Good talk. Cooking some steaks, man. Ooh, looking good. This pasta's gotta be overcooked by now. Oh, dude, the steak's looking really good. Ooh, my eyes are... Ah. Yeah, I processed them by now. Yeah, I need you to hold the light. Ow, my hand!
Punch down board.
Here, take this. Just hold this. Like this. Hold it at me. You roll watch this.
Oh, you have it on video. Nice. Fuck, I got a text. I'm sorry.
That's not enough sauce. Didn't have a lot of sauce. Let's try it.
Fuck, it's fine. Send it.
Send it.
Okay, there's a beer in it. It's fine.
Some salt. Don't worry about my stuff leaving you. Fuck it. Worst case scenario, just toss beer in it. Should be ready. That's it about my ex. Didn't work out though. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
God damn it, I just want the bitch. I shouldn't call it, but she's actually nice.
I just want this pasta.
You can never pause, I don't want to.
It's not the steak and pasta.
I just want to hold her.
I can't either.
I can taste like a little bit right now, that's about it. And now it's like,
Alright. I don't know if it's the taste I can't taste, or if it's like if it has no taste, or if I can't taste it. Alright, Dalton, get your lazy ass up. I need you.
You need me.
And I need you. You're not that way, you fucking pervert. No, never mind. I don't need you.
Oh. You sure, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm sure, Poppy.
I'll start the blade your way.
What do you think of this, big Poppy?
Oh, Daddy. Oh. Okay.
I don't have a knife. Hold on, I need to get a knife.
Here, I got you.
Oh, you got a knife?
And a quarter, apparently.
Oh shit.
Whatever the fuck it was.
Oh, this is the one with the fucking no tip, huh?
Yep.
Just like your dick. No tip dick.
Hey, bitch.
Here, hold this one.
Oh my god.
Nice film.
There you go. I got it.
The double.
Double egg.
Fucking Dalton, he fucking slept out here in the bed. Not earlier than I thought it was. Damn, I should have took it before.
Yeah, I can too.
That looks pretty cool. That room looks a little messy, but it's alright. Busty. Damn.
Damn, boy.
Got a new tack room here. Out by the arena. Not bad, actually. Good job, Dalton.